Hello families, I'm here with a quick visual on how to log into your Google Classroom. When you go to classroom.google.com, they should ask you to sign in with a Google account. When you sign in with your student's email account, you should always use the username at learner.dvusd.org. So just like as you see, I typed in the username at learner.dvusd.org. If you do not have your student's username and password, please email me or contact me on Dojo. Once you do this step, you're going to have to enter the password. So once you enter your student's password, click Next. You should see this page. If your child is already logged into our Classroom Google, there will be a square here which says Miss Heartsy's third grade. If your page looks like my page, you are going to have to come up to Join Class. Click the plus and Join Class. Here you will enter the classroom code that I had dojoed out a few days ago. After you have entered the class code, you will click Join. You must log into Google using your student's email address or you will get an error message. Once you log in, you will see all the classes that you are enrolled into. Go ahead and click Miss Heartsy's third grade. Here you will see our streaming page where all of our announcements will be posted. If you go up top to the classwork, here is where all of your work will be posted each day. Students can click on each lesson, read the directions, and find the needed material. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Have a great day, Lobos!